Today, I'm going to share with you how to edit multiple Insta360 video clips with transitions in the Insta360 app, so you can make a video that looks like this. To edit this shot, the first thing I'm going to do is edit the individual clips in the album editor and then bring over the edited clips into the editor in the Edit tab to put them all together and add transitions. The reason I edit the individual clips in the album editor is because you get much more options to reframe the video. So for the first shot, I'm going to put myself in the middle and add a keyframe, and I've already trimmed these shots to be 2.5 seconds long. Then I'll go to my second shot, reframe the shot, and add a keyframe. And I'll go to my third shot. This is a bird's eye view, so I'll zoom in to get rid of the warped edges and add a keyframe. And I'll go to my fourth shot, put the boat in the middle, zoom out, add a keyframe. So now that all the shots are reframed, I will go to the Edit tab, create a video, and this is where you can put multiple video clips together. Now I'm going to add the video clips I've already edited, and you'll know they're edited because there's a scissor icon next to them. So I will tap these 4 shots, tap next, and now all 4 shots are on the timeline. To add a transition between the shots, I will tap the box in between the video clips, and here you can choose a transition of your choice. I will choose slide right. You can choose the transition length. I will leave it at default. To be consistent, I'm going to change all the transitions to be the same. And now when I play it back, you have multiple Insta360 video clips edited together with transitions. So to export this shot with the best video quality possible, I will go to the 1080p drop down. I will select 4K resolution, maximum bitrate, save to album. Once this video is saved to my phone, I will then upload this video to social media.